Ćao svima, hi, welcome to Milika Mechatronics channel. This time some Sony 2. Here you can see the model. I will shortly show you what is the problem. You hear that sound? Okay. So let's open and see what it can be. Okay, let's try something first. I hope you can see. Here is a little switch for end position detection. Let's try a few times. Maybe it's got stuck. Okay. Let's move this just a little. And now turn on. Whoa! Now nothing happens. Okay. Let's unplug and plug again. Now let's try. No, it's the same. Okay, now I will disassemble this and see you later. Okay, this looks ridiculous. You see this? It's unplugged. Yeah, it's unplugged. Let's plug it back and try again. Okay, situation is the same. You see? And if I push, you see, here something happens. Yeah. So, let's see. Okay. I hope you can see. Looks like there is some dirt or something. Let's clean this and try again. Okay, let's check now. Something is moving. Let's turn off. Turn off. Okay. Now let's move this manually. Here, for example. Whoa. Maybe we fix this. Open the tray. Wow. Okay. It's time for testing. Okay, that's it. First time DVD game Final Fantasy X2. Let's see if we are lucky. No. Okay, let's check some PS1 game, original. Maybe I touch the laser unit with this assembling. So let's see. Okay, he reads nothing. Let me clean the laser and see you later. Okay, I cleaned the laser. SanDisk. Final Fantasy X2. Let's check. Let's wait a little. Start. Why is it not spinning? I tested. So, I don't know why, but for some reason I can pull out the joypad. This is the problem, I don't know how, but I tested a few minutes ago without joypad. Okay, let's try something. I will hope I can show you. Here are the two buttons, one here and one here for activating, like a closed lid. Yeah. put this, okay, cable. Okay, I will press here also, and start. You see, it's working. It's reading the game. Now I cannot press anything. Yeah, but it's reading game. Probably because I didn't put the screws back. That's why I have a problem with this. With these two buttons. Okay, let's restart and try PS1 game. Okay, sorry I didn't press it well. It takes some time, but it's reading. So that's dirty flat cable, let's say, was the problem. If you have similar issue, you can check that. It's really simple to open this and check this. Check these things, okay? So thank you for your time. If you find this useful, please click like. Check my channel if you like what I do. Please subscribe on my channel to support me for my future work, and see you some next time. Bye bye.